Hi everybody, Purple on 3 here. I am going to do a super quick install of the awesome Can-Am decals that Brian Ford sent me. My bike is finally clean enough to put them on. Now, the funny thing about this is video number 2 because Purple on 3 didn't know that you can't put stuff on like powder coat finish. So I had them here and I lost one out on my ride. So now I'm thinking they will look amazing right here. So I'm going to go ahead and prep that. So prepping it with an alcohol wipe so it has the best chance of sticking. And I already did that or on the other side as well. So we'll let that dry. Okay, so our area is prepped and dried. And just peel off the decal. I think right about there. Use my handy dandy AAA card. Oof, there we go. What do you think? I think it looks pretty awesome. Thank you so much, Brian. I really appreciate you sending me these decals. Yeah. All right, everybody. If you like this short video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. And remember to begin each day with gratitude. Bye for now.